Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eureka Flash lightweight stick vacuum cleaner, a vacuum that's making waves with its 15 kPa powerful suction and versatile design. Whether you're tackling hard floors or carpets, this vacuum is designed to make your cleaning routine easier. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. The Eureka Flash boasts a sleek, lightweight build, tipping the scales at just 6.3 pounds. This makes it a solid option for those who want powerful suction without the heavy lifting. You can easily convert it into a handheld vacuum, perfect for above-floor cleaning, reaching tight corners, or even cleaning your car interiors. That's one of the standout features here: flexibility. The 30-foot cord gives you a significant range, ensuring you can cover large areas without constantly needing to plug and unplug. But we'll dive into that in a moment. Suction is a big deal when it comes to vacuums, and with 15 kPa of suction power, the Eureka Flash promises solid performance on both carpets and hard floors. The motorized floor nozzle and fingertip brush roll controls allow you to switch between carpet and hard floor cleaning with ease. You're not left fiddling with settings or attachments. It's all about simplicity. The 86 decibel noise level is something to keep in mind though. It's louder than some other models on the market, so if you're sensitive to noise, this might be a factor to consider. Let's talk about real-world performance. The advanced swivel steering is a game changer when it comes to maneuverability. It's easy to turn corners, slide under furniture, and get into those tight spots around your home that are otherwise hard to reach. For daily use, this vacuum handles well across both floor types. On hard floors, it easily picks up fine dust and crumbs, while on carpets, it lifts embedded dirt with its powerful suction. If you've got pets, you'll appreciate how well it picks up pet hair. Just make sure to empty the dust cup regularly, as it has a tendency to fill up quickly when dealing with larger debris or fur. The LED headlights are a nice touch. We've all been there, trying to clean under the couch or a low table and missing all those tiny dust particles. The headlights help spot those spots that are easy to overlook, making the vacuuming process more thorough. It's a small feature, but one that makes a big difference when you're cleaning in dimly lit areas. Now, there's no such thing as a perfect vacuum. The Eureka Flash does have its downsides. First off, the foam filter, while decent, may not be ideal for allergy sufferers. If you're someone who needs top-tier filtration for allergy management, this could be a minor drawback. Additionally, while the 30-foot cord provides great reach, it's still not as convenient as the flexibility of a cordless model. And although the vacuum is lightweight, it can still be a bit bulky for those who want something super compact and easy to store. When it comes to value for money, the Eureka Flash does a solid job. It's priced in the mid-range, and considering its suction power, versatile design, and handy attachments, it offers decent value. If you're someone with a mix of hard floors and carpets and you're looking for something that balances power and convenience, this is a strong contender. For people in smaller homes or apartments, the cord length and the vacuum size might feel just right. However, if you're dealing with a larger home and need something that can go for long stretches without being plugged in, you might want to look at a more powerful cordless model. So, how does it stack up against other options? Compared to other corded stick vacuums in this price range, the Eureka Flash holds its own. Similar models like the Shark Rocket or the Black & Decker 2-in-1 corded stick vacuum come close in terms of suction power, but may lack some of the Eureka Flash's maneuverability and the convenience of the built-in LED headlights. If you're willing to go a bit higher in price, cordless models like the Dyson V8 might give you more suction and longer runtime, but that comes at a premium. Build quality is solid. It's made from durable plastics, and the joints, hinges, and wand connections feel robust enough to handle daily use. The dust cup is easy to remove and empty, and cleaning the filter and brush roll is straightforward. There's no complicated disassembly needed. The long cord, while a pro for reach, does require a bit of extra effort when it comes to storage. The vacuum itself doesn't fold down into an ultra-compact form, so you'll need a bit of space to keep it tucked away. In terms of customer support, Eureka has a good reputation for after-sales service, with responsive teams and a decent warranty offering. If you encounter any issues, the brand's support network is ready to assist. To wrap it up, the Eureka Flash lightweight stick vacuum cleaner offers a strong combination of power, versatility, and ease of use. Its 15 kPa suction power is more than enough for most cleaning tasks around the home, and the switch between carpet and hard floor modes is intuitive. It's lightweight, maneuverable, and packed with useful attachments, making it a solid option for homes with mixed floor types or pet owners. However, the noise levels and foam filter may be deal breakers for some, especially those with allergies. Still, if you're after an affordable, reliable vacuum for daily use, the Eureka Flash does a great job. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you've used the Eureka Flash or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep your floors spotless and your vacuuming effortless.